HVSF3 in 1S SF6 analyzer purity and dew point and decomposition H2S, SO2, CO, HF. Equipment testing interface. Power off. Look at the inner structure. Installation is simple and can be operated with one hand. Gently push it in. Gently pull the ring backwards to remove the pipe. With quick connected inflation tubing, imported from Germany. Turn your hand to this position. When you hear a click, it's locked in place. Lift it up slightly, then push it back slightly to return the handle to its folded position. Intake valve SF6 gas inlet. Adjusting valve to adjust the inlet gas speed and flow. Look at the needle valve structure. Thanks watching, and click subscribe our channel for more updates.